Did she get him?
With what she ain't done to get him.
Get her. Get her. Go get her.
She's just intimidating because she's like and smacking at him.
It turns out the motorist is lacking much more than a
No barking.
He provides little explanation for his lack of. The indecent side proves
She's bad at her.
I know she ain't got nothing to bat with.
the man asks his equally fair-skinned date for clothes. The unconscious is so intoxicated he can barely put on his underwear.
He like nudges her. He nudges her tail to get her going again.
Here's all that.
I think she's starting to realize she's really scary. No bark.
The drivers
Oh.
She does not look happy.
The man's arrested.
I'm laying right here. I'm making a stand.